Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to download a data pack that adds a bunch of powerful weapons into your game. The Whimzee's Wizardry data pack brings 4 main weapon themes with special effects. The first theme is Elemental. Under the Elemental theme you can find weapons such as the Windrunner Staff. With the Windrunner Staff you'll be able to run faster, jump higher and glide. With the Fire Staff, you're able to set your surroundings aflame. There are other weapons in this category, such as an Ice Staff that spawns ice spikes and an Earth Staff. If you combine all of them on the ground with the diamond block, you'll get an OP weapon called the Saber of the Lightning Master. With this weapon, you can press F to cycle through different abilities. For example, if I press F, I get an electric drill ability, making it easier to excavate. Moving on, another weapon theme is the Spirit Weapon set. Under that category, you get 5 more weapons with cool abilities. One of those is the Warrior Spirit Staff. With this staff, you can right-click on the ground to spawn a warrior that will fight by your side. You can also get the Spirit Splitter. If you use this weapon to defeat enemies, it transfers their power into the blade. You can get other weapons like the Nightmare Staff and the Bad Blood Staff, but the most powerful is the one you get when you combine all weapons. The third set you can get is the Clockwork set. The Clockwork set has 3 weapons as of now that you can acquire, but the creator is planning on adding more. One of the weapons you can get is the Overclock Timepiece. If you right click and hold with this weapon, it speeds up time in exchange for experience. On the other hand, you can get the Underclock Timepiece weapon. If you right click and hold it, it'll freeze time completely. Lastly, in the Clockwork category, you can get an Eternity's Edge weapon. This weapon is awesome. If you hit a mob or animal with it, it bounces them into the air and makes them vanish. The last set included in this data pack is the Ascended set. You can get 2 weapons from it as of now. To get the first weapon, you have to combine the Saber of Lightning Master with the Nether Star. To get the second weapon, you have to combine the Scepter of Infinite Woe with the Totem of Undying. These weapons also have mixed abilities like the combined ones we showed earlier, but look at how awesome they look. If you want to craft these, make sure to head to the link in the description as it'll show all the recipes. However, to actually have them in game, you'll have to download and set up this data pack, so I'll be showing you how to do that in just a second. Firstly, you can use the link in the description to get to the official download page. Scroll down to the first button saying watch full video and click it. When you arrive on the YouTube page, scroll to the video description where you'll find a direct download link. Click that download link and it will redirect you to a Google Drive page. There you'll see the 2 required files we need to download. Simply hover over the files and click the arrow in the top left to download them. Once the download is complete, we then recommend you move both zips to a place where you can easily access, for example, your desktop. For this step, you're going to have to go to the Server.pro website and access your server control panel from there. At the dashboard, make sure that the server version matches the datapack version to ensure no complications. The creator states that this datapack is compatible with versions 1.18 to the 1.19 snapshot, so I've set my server to 1.18. Before proceeding to the next step, quickly confirm that the server is offline. Firstly, I'll be showing you how to upload the data pack onto a world you've already created. This data pack doesn't require you to make a new world, but if you're interested in that, I'll be showing you how to create a brand new world with the data pack enabled after. What you're going to do first is head to the Files tab. Click on the World folder and then the Data Packs folder. Here's where you're going to drag the Whimzee's Wizardry data pack zip you downloaded at the beginning of the video. And that's it, the data pack is uploaded onto your world. However, if you're interested in creating a brand new world with the data pack enabled, you're going to want to head to the Worlds tab. Here's where you're going to create a brand new world. You can set your world name and adjust world settings as usual. Just make sure the world name doesn't have spaces or special characters. However, below you'll also see a button labeled Upload Data Packs. Simply click the Select Files button and then navigate to the area where you saved the Whimzee's Wizardry data pack zip to. Once you've found it, press Open and then Create World. It'll take a second for the files to upload, but when that's done, you should go into the Files tab. Double click on your world folder and then go into the Data Packs folder. If you see the data pack zip inside, it means you have followed these steps correctly. Now that the data pack is uploaded onto the server, we have to make sure the resource pack is also installed. To do that, you'll want to head back to the Files tab. Then open up the server.properties file and look for the line saying resource pack. After the equals, you want to right click and paste the link to the required resource pack. We ourselves have uploaded that file to our Dropbox, so if you'd like you can use our link, it'll be in the description. Alternatively though, you can upload the resource pack to any website that supports creations of hot links, and then put your own hot link into the server.properties file. Before continuing, make sure to press Save File to confirm the changes, and then all you have to do is log into your server to experience the new additions. You can do this by heading to the dashboard and copying the host name. Afterwards, quickly launch your Minecraft application, and when it's open, head to the multiplayer section. Click Add Server, and in the server address section, paste the host name. When you join the server, you'll be prompted with this pop-up asking if you want to download and install the required texture pack. We recommend pressing yes, so every time you join the server in the future, it'll be automatically enabled. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching.